Here's how to convert WAV to MP3. I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually made with my brother, who's a software developer. I was sick of uploading my file conversions to random websites, so now I can drag and drop any type of image, audio, or video right into ConvertSave. So I had this WAV file, select output, MP3 is already selected actually, and I'll hit convert. It converts and then saves right next to where that file came from. So you can check out ConvertSave with the link in the description. You can also go to convertsave.com. It's an offline file converter, no uploading, works for Windows and Mac, works for images, video, and audio. Speaking of video, we converted WAV to MP3. If you want to convert video to MP3, you can do the same thing. I got some MP4 files over here, or MOV, whatever you want. It'll extract the audio. I'm going to get rid of this WAV right here, and then it'll extract the audio and then convert it and save it MP3 right next to where that file came from. So we've got the MP3 of that video file right there. Super fast. That's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys find it useful. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.